There was a buck bedded right here, and there's another one snorting there. He was bedded right on the edge of that hill. But today I'm going to try to tackle this huge ditch here. I've got half a dozen dump truck loads of dirt over there. I'll start with that, and if I need more, I'll run down to the duck pond. Okay, I think I got enough dirt in there. I'm going to bring the excavator now and reshape this thing and make it a nice wide ditch. I thought about a couple stair steps, but I may just make a nice gentle wide ditch all the way down with riprap. So phase 2. Alright, now I'm going to just try to reshape this thing. The hole up here is still empty, but I'll fill that in. And then I'll go from there. This dirt hasn't been compacted yet, but make sure I could make it wide enough, nice wide ditch up here. check back in here once I get my plan together. Okay, so I think I decided I'm just going to make it the width of this bucket with pretty steep walls because it's all going to have rock in it, and maybe we could get to mow at least pretty close right up to it. So that's the plan right now. I actually got too much dirt. Guess I could bring a bunch of it back over there with the skid steer. Alright, I'm going to keep plugging away, get the ditch formed, and I'll check back in. This was just pucker time in this daggone hillside. Ain't nothing easy about trying to cut an even ditch when everything's like this. This whole thing is washed out just like what I'm fixing. I'm not sure if that other camera was running or not when I was almost tipping over here, but just finishing the shape here of the ditch. And then it's going to be time for fabric. a few pucker moments in there with the different directions of the hillside here, but I got the channel cut in a pretty decent V. I really want to grade it better, but I just can't. I got a forest there, plus the property line is just up there, so I'd have to tear all that out just to be able to blade this. And once the riprap gets on it, it's not really going to matter, because you know the riprap is going to be riprap. That's all there is to it. So I just have to make sure I catch that first drop right there onto the fabric. I mean, I wish I could do some better grading with this, but without a tilt bucket, without a tilt blade, and with these woods here, it's not very easy. I'll think on it for a minute.